Hi, it's Amelia from Upwards Art Studio. So we are making gift boxes, gift sets for Christmas and for throughout the year. So I'm going to show you how to package up boxes so that they look nice and pretty. Okay, so I have some tissue paper here. I have all of my stuff that's going to go into the box. So I have beam paints, travel card, the mixing six. I have a little watercolor booklet, and I have a water brush by Koi. So they're all going to fit nicely in here. Okay, so to figure out your paper, so this paper, if I fold it right in half, it's going to be slightly too big to fit in this box, right? It's just a tiny bit too big, so I'm going to fold it into three. So I'm going to fold it a little bit this way, and then I'm going to use this box as my template, and I'm just going to kind of roll it out. I don't want it to be super snug, so I want to leave myself just like maybe half a centimeter on either side, and then I'm just going to fold that, and I'm going to set that aside. Then I'm going to do the other one. Probably should have done this one first. And obviously this box is too skinny again to fit just the folded paper in half. So I'm gonna fold it into thirds again. And then I'm coming over to my box, giving myself a little extra or a little smaller than the box width. I'm going to fold that. So for us, we put this one in first, and I'm putting the crease on the bottom, or the folded part over on the bottom. So when it's folded over, it looks nice and crisp. I'm just going to tuck that in. And both these sides should be kind of equal, or somewhat equal. And I'm just going to fuss with that. And then this one, need to refold this. The seam is on the inside again, and I'm going to leave a little bit extra more at the top so that when I fold, it's going to fold kind of past the middle, and I'm going to just tuck that in. So if I put my stuff in right now, it's going to sit way down in the bottom, so I'm going to make myself a little pillow for everything to sit on because it just needs a little rest. So to do a pillow, I grab kind of in the middle-ish or the edge-ish, kind of in from the edge, and just kind of tuck the paper around, and it kind of looks like a shower cap, like Lisa said. So, and then I'm going to set it in the bottom, and then I'm going to put my product on top of that so that it's nice and people can easily see it when they open it. If I was doing a box for myself, I might put another pillow on top of this, especially if the box was deeper. What we're doing, if our boxes are deeper, we're putting extra pillows underneath, just so that the product is the main focus. And then the sides get folded in. If the sides were too long, I would fold under this so that they look nice and crisp. I might actually just do that on this one, just so that looks nice and crisp. And then this one is a tiny bit too long. So I'm going to try to get it folded so it's near the top, right here. And then this one folded over so that I want it just up a little bit from the bottom. And if I had a sticker, I would put the sticker here, and then we can close everything up. And it's ready to go.